Hello. So if you love linen or cotton wear, well, we've heard you. This saree is going to be in linen fabric and the color palette has been kept quite subtle. Let me show you the detailings. The entire print on the saree that you see is going to be artistically done with block printing. Apart from that, let us come a bit to the border section. This is the border area. There's going to be color ombre effect found over here. Begins from a darker blue shade, gives you a light tone of blue shade in the center and then moves towards this dark mehendi green shade. Apart from that, beige color has been used to give prints on entire saree. Let us move to the pallu section. Keeping it very classy and minimal, here comes your pallu, and at the end of the pallu you're going to find tassels running through in a darker shade. Now the entire look of the saree is quite classy and chic, but along with it you also get a blouse fabric which is going to be in same color as the saree with a different print.